Hello and welcome to the Mule series presented by the Center of Excellence team at Royal Cyber. In this video, we are discussing about MuleSoft monthly release updates for July 2023. Here is a quick review of July 2023 releases. Mule added support for Anypoint Identity Access Management in RPA Recorder. RPA Builder no longer shows a script run results cannot be loaded error when reading a file. Mule Maven plugin reported security vulnerabilities are now fixed. API Manager. In API administration, the Analytics tab is now Mule API Analytics. Anypoint Runtime Fabric patch update. Undeploying or redeploying multiple operation policies to the same non-blocking operations no longer fails when processing new events in Fabric in an old Kubernetes cluster version. Cloud Hub 2.0 runtime and infrastructure patch updated to the latest infrastructure patches. Cloud Hub dedicated load balancer updated to the operating system security patches. API functional monitoring. The BAT playground is now integrated into the API functional monitoring UI. You can select from a menu of example tests in the functional monitoring editor when creating a monitor. Anypoint connector devkit library is upgraded to version 2.15.2. The API kit for SOAP configuration now has the new inbound validation message level property that enables you to throw an error if the payload validation fails. MUnit upgrades dependencies to address reported security vulnerabilities. Spring Module upgraded Spring Security Core to version 5.7.8. RPA Manager is now integrated with Anypoint platform. The deployment map now includes improved tooltip texts and color schema for better readability. XML module updated internal dependencies. Anypoint Partner Manager now compresses schema file when storing them in an store object. This enables the support of large schemas. RPA Recorder no longer crashes when selecting the search box in the File Explorer window during a bot task recording. RPA Builder. The REST call wizard no longer causes an error when configuring a pin variable for the base URL field and trying to save. Upgraded and fixed the bugs of mostly used connectors including Google Sheets connector, Jira connector, Salesforce PubSub connector, Salesforce connector, Viva Vault connector, Stripe connector, Amazon SQS connector, Database connector, NetSuite connector, Oracle eBusiness Suite connector, FTP connector, FTPS connector, and HL7 EDI connector. And that brings us to the end of today's topic. Thank you for watching this episode of MuleByte series. If you have any questions or need help in implementing this in your project, drop us an email at info@royalcyber.com and we would be happy to help. And do let us know what topic would you like to learn in the upcoming episode in the comment section down below. Finally, hit the bell icon to subscribe to the channel to get more such exciting videos directly in your inbox if you haven't done yet. Thank you for watching and stay safe.